Hello everyone, this is Minakshi and today I'm taking maths of class 7th lesson number 5 exponents and power part 4, and in this fourth part we are going to see the laws of exponents. And laws of exponents means nothing but the rules or the formulas which we have to use in this lesson. And the next exercise is depends on this laws of exponents only, so carefully listen and understand it and note down in your copy, and you have to learn it also. So let's start. Laws of exponents. So what is the first law? So the first law is a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m plus n. So listen here. What is given in the first law? A, and here it is also given a. These both are the bases and this m and n are the exponents. So here a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n, when the bases are equal and exponents are different and it is given in the form of multiplication, that time we have to add the exponents of a given base. So it will be a raised to the power m plus n. So here base is a and exponent is m plus n, where we have to perform the addition between these two exponents. So this is the first law. Then the second law, a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m minus n. When the base are equal, exponents are different and given in the form of division, that time we have to perform the subtraction between the exponents, so that it will be a raised to the power m minus n. And how I am reading it, in that same way you have to read it. Then the third law, a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m into n. So how it is given? A raised to the power m and again whole raised to the power n is given. It means power of power is given, and when it is given power of power, or we can say when a base is given and its power, its exponent is given with another exponent again, that time we have to perform the multiplication between these two exponent, or we can say it as a power of power. So that is a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m into n. Then the fourth law, a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m equals to a into b raised to the power m. So here bases are given different and exponents are given equal, and it is given in the form of multiplication. So that time we have to multiply the bases and we will take power as a common for both. So it will be a into b whole raised to the power m. So we are going to read it as a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m is equals to a into b whole raised to the power m. This all laws carefully listen and see the difference between them also. Okay. Then the next law, a raised to the power 0 equals to 1. When it is given a raised to the power 0, it will be 1. It means if a base is given any number whose exponent is 0, then it will be always 1 only. That is a raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. This is the fifth law. Then the next law, a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m is equals to a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m, which is equals to a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m. So nothing there is the difference. So here what is given? a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m, we can write it in this form also, which is nothing but a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power m, and here we can write it as a divided by b in the bracket and whole we will take it as a m. So here I am going to write it. We can write it as a divided by b, and here bases are different given in the form of division and powers are equal, so here we will take power as common. So here we can read it as a divided by b whole raised to the power m, or we can write it in the form of a divided by b and whole raised to the power m. So this is how this law is given. Okay, so here again I am going to explain. When the bases are given different, powers are given equal, and it is given in the form of division, that time we have to take this power as a common for both a and b, and we can write it as a divided by b whole raised to the power m. Then the next law, that is minus a whole raised to the power even number, that equals to 1. So here when the base is given negative, any number which is given negative whose power is even, then the result will be positive, and I explained it already also. So that is, if a number is given -1 and if its exponent is given as an even number, then the result will be +1. So that is -1 whole raised to the power even number, that equals to +1. Then the next law, -1 whole raised to the power odd number, that equals to -1. When a number is given negative, means the base is given negative and whose exponent is given odd number, then the result will be in the form of negative number. So that is -1 whole raised to the power odd number is equals to -1. Then the next law, 1 divided by a raised to the power m is equals to a raised to the power -m. So when a number is given 1 divided by a raised to the power m, then it will be a raised to the power -m. Okay, so this is the law of exponent. Then the again one more law is there. This is the last law, that is 1 divided by a raised to the power -m, that equals to a raised to the power m. So what is the difference between these two laws? Here a raised to the power given m as a positive, then it's equals to a raised to the power -m, means the positive exponent will become negative exponent, and here 1 divided by a raised to the power -m is given, it means the exponent is given negative, which will become as a positive, that is a raised to the power m. So these are the laws of exponents which you have to learn it carefully, because we have to use this in the next exercise. So thank you for watching this video, and the remaining videos of these lessons are available in the playlist of my YouTube channel. So if you want to check, you can check there. Thank you so much.